Hi, welcome to my channel. Our adventure is about to start. Can you join me? So grab your art materials, let's draw in color. Drain. Make it 2 circles. With 2 mini circles inside. Like this one. Then make a big circle. And just copy the mini circles. Make a vertical lines between the circles. Then continue to create a rectangle shape. Make a square at the top side of a rectangular shape. Make a small rectangle beside the square. At the smaller side of the rectangle, make a half circle. Then draw a right triangle. At the top of the small rectangle, make an oval shape, a mini square, and an oval shape again. Then make a roof for the train. Inside the square, make a long rectangle for its door and a small square for its window. And draw a cloud like smoke out of its pipe. You can draw slanting lines, or you can make your desired design. Trains are so fast. People ride train for their transportation. Did you experience the ride train? It was amazing but a little thrilling, isn't it? Like how amazing to color this train. So let's color it. Red. Yellow. Purple. Apple green. Gray. Orange. Well done! Here comes the next one. Firetruck. Draw a circle. Then a mini circle inside. A horizontal line. Another circle with mini circle inside. Then a short horizontal lines, followed by half circles above the 2 circles. Then another horizontal line above the horizontal line. Then draw a 2 small square line. Then draw the cab of the fire truck. Inside the cab, make a rectangular shape with curved edges. Make another one below it. Also draw a square shape with curved edges. And then create another one. Make a small standing ladder. Then draw the back part of the fire truck. Draw the water hose. Then draw a long lying ladder. Draw the fire truck lights. Fire trucks are driven by the firefighters. Fire trucks are used to turn off a big fire, to rescue people in needs. Do you want to become a firefighter? But being a firefighter, you need to be smart, strong, and well-trained, because fire can cause danger. For now, let's color the fire truck. Color it red. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Cream. Purple. Gray. Brown. Wow, amazing. Let's make another one. An ambulance. A big circle and a small circle inside, followed by horizontal line, followed by a circle again, and then a mini circle inside. Two short horizontal lines. And here comes the half circle above the circles. Mini rectangles with curved edges. Then double those horizontal lines. Then make the whole frames of the ambulance. Put some mini lights. Create a frame for the door of the ambulance. Draw a vertical line at the center that makes the door of the ambulance. Draw a 2 square with curved edges for its window. Make a handle. Draw a rectangular shape with the curved edges at the back part of the ambulance. Draw the emergency light. Draw a cross shape. Ambulance are taking patients to the hospital. If you saw an ambulance coming very fast with very loud sound, please give way because it was an emergency. So pay attention. Like paying attention to color this ambulance. Green. Blue. Yellow. Black. Purple. Gray. Brown. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.